Hey everybody, we are doing a cheap dinner tonight. I have this smoked turkey I got at Walmart for $2. I have 2 peeled potatoes, and I will chop up some onion, and we're just going to slice these taters. Probably do that. So they'll be a little closer to size with the sausage. Sorry about foobering that video with the biscuits. I don't even know how that happened. Too much button pushing. So we're just going to slice up these taters. And this is probably, and I'm probably overestimating, but $3 dinner. And we'll get 3 meals out of this. It'll be dinner and his lunch. It's usually how lunch goes around here. Whatever we have for dinner, he has for lunch. And then I freeze a lot of leftovers, like enchiladas, piece of that shepherd's pie, some of that Mexican lasagna. I have all kinds of stuff in there. So like last night, he had leftover enchiladas and Spanish rice that was in the freezer. And then for lunch today, he had sloppy joe that was left over in the freezer. I'm trying to eat that stuff down. Give me space. So it comes in handy. Don't waste anything. Even if it's one meal or even just a handful of meat, I'll save that for a quesadilla. I had those in water, but I don't think I had them covered in water very well. I have that pan getting hot. I'll turn it up a little bit. Put some oil in it and get the potatoes going first. Then I'll remove the potatoes, slice up the sausage and brown it. Then I'll add the potatoes back with some onion. And you can add bell pepper if you want. Whatever you like. And whatever you have. Add a little oil to our pan. Get that hot. Roll up my sleeves. We have snow coming and I'm not excited. Somebody forgot to tell the weather gods or whatever that we're not a snow state. I've never shoveled snow in my life. We don't have plows here. I think they have like 2 to do some roads so people can go places, but you won't get out of your street. I can tell you that. Wonder if everybody's running out getting milk. It's how it used to be. It's milk for the snow, milk and bread for snow, and toilet paper and hand sanitizer for a pandemic. Okay, got those done. Got that getting hot over there. That burner gets really hot. Really hot. Not hot enough right now. And I'm just going to slice this into rings. Let's see if I have any onion in the fridge. Got an onion. Didn't have any in the fridge. So just add your potatoes. Fry these until they're however you like them. I'm wanting some crispiness. You can do a lot of meals with potatoes. So there we go. Get those started, and if you wanted to speed them along just to have tender fried potatoes, put a lid on there. I'm going to keep stirring them so I have crispy potatoes. So I will be back when we're on to the next step. Okay, I got my crispy potatoes. I'm going to drain them. I think this will work better. Doing, Tippy? You want to lay in front of the refrigerator? Okay. Add a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to pour this oil out. So oil's out, turn that down, and add sausage. When that starts browning, I will add the onion, and then I will put the potatoes back in. And this is turkey sausage, so it's lower in fat. You shouldn't have all the grease. We're going to let that brown. You could also add bell pepper when you add your onion if you want. You could make a salad or a veggie, whatever you want to go with it. So, I'm going to let that cook. So they have started to brown a little bit. See that? I'm going to add the onion. And I really like onion, so you don't have to add that much. That's half of that onion. But they do shrink when you cook them. Stir that about. And we will let that continue to cook. I can move my mess now. it up a little bit. Put that there. And when that's done, I'll come back and we'll mix it all up and dinner will be ready. Okay, so these are browned up and the onions are shrunk. Got our potatoes. And this sausage literally has no fat. So there was, usually with like Eckrich or Hillshire, I have to drain the pan. There's nothing in here to drain. So add a little bit of salt, not too much, just for the potato. Because that sausage, I'm sure, is salty. Stir that about. And I use the pink Himalayan salt. It has a lot of good minerals for you in it. I'm going to add some pepper. Stir that about. And there you have it, guys. My husband will eat his with ketchup. I'm going to have mine with some cucumber salad right there. It's just cucumbers, onions, tomatoes with the balsamic vinaigrette. Let me get some of that. I love cucumbers. He hates them. His family was farmers or were farmers. And I guess he picked and ate a lot of cucumbers. And there you have it. It's my plate. And that is cheap, cheap, cheap. $2 for the sausage, probably 15 cents for the potatoes, probably 15 cents for the onion because I bought bags. So 3 or 4 meals for $3. This I already had. You can make whatever you want to go with it. Some crusty bread or something, garlic toast. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this, batten down the house. We have protests popping off tonight, so just gonna stay in and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.